Sparky Sparks here. Okay, today I want to share with you a myth. So some people say that after a certain age, some people think it's 35, some people think it's 40, some people think it's 80, that we have to wear short hair or age-appropriate hair for our age. And what I want to show you today are two wigs, two styles by Ellen Wille. One is called Tab in Champagne Rooted, and the other is called Voice in Pearl Blonde Rooted. And so I'm gonna give you a look at two styles, and I want you to look at it and see how it changes me. So as a new wig wearer, you might be thinking, well, I already have short hair, so I should go with short hair and not shock everybody. Or you might be saying, I have short hair, so I'd rather have long hair because that's my dream hair. And really the choice is yours. So I just want to tell you that's the bottom line is the choice is yours. Not anybody else's, not what they say, because who are they anyway, right? And they are always saying something. A coach of mine says, if they're not talking about you, then you're not doing something right. So good talking or bad talking, it's fine. Okay, so this first one is called Tab, and she's a very short pixie. So let me put her on, and for new wig wearers, we're gonna do it always the same. So we've got the lace front here, that goes in the front. If you're ever in question, the tag goes in the back. All right, so we're gonna put the tag in the back, almost put her on upside down, and put our forehead in, pull her on. Yep, this is how it always looks when you first put it on. You need to adjust it so that you have your forehead, or I like to say I have an 8 head, not egg, but 8, because it's large. Anyway, so this is how it goes on, and you could do kind of a floppy, messy look, or I like to use my comb, kind of sleek it down a little bit. Use your fingers. So I like to pull her forward. This again is Tab in Champagne Rooted. Now I think she reads a little bit gray on me. So my daughter said this is probably how my hair will look when I'm 80. I've got goals. So this is how it looks. And then I want to make sure it's pulled down in the back. So my hair is all tucked up nice and neat. Let me show you the back. So she's a really cute neckline, right? So this doesn't really have, you're not really gonna pull her off your forehead because she's a short style. Bangs would be very cool for summer. So this is one look. Again, Ellen Wille. Both wigs are gonna be by Ellen Wille today. And this is Pearl Blonde Rooted, okay? She's saying pretty sophisticated, edgy. You know, not a lot of girls will cut their hair this short because it's a commitment, right? So if you're not ready to cut your hair and make this your commitment, try a wig. Now, I have friends that say they've got long hair, they can't stuff it up into this. Yes, you can. You can do that. You just wear a wig cap and tuck it in like a bathing cap, and voila, you have your hair tucked in. Okay, so this is Tab, Champagne Rooted. Okay, now let's go for the magic. So I can be like this for this moment, and I'm headed to a wedding, and it's a wedding of a friend who's much younger, so the crowd's gonna be much younger. This, if I wanna be age appropriate, this wig is age appropriate, right? Anytime over 40, if you think you need to have short hair, this could be it. So the second wig is also by Ellen Wille in Pearl Blonde Rooted. And let's look at how I change. So notice, cute. All right, now the magic. The 8 head, right? I like to say I could squeeze 3 more fingers in here. Yeah, almost. All right, so again, this is gonna be Ellen Wille, and this is Voice. She's a lot of hair, especially having on that short one. So what I'd like to do is take my comb and part her. So I would argue that you don't need to be age appropriate and that you can wear whatever hair you want to wear that makes you feel whatever way you want it to make you feel. So again, this is Voice in Pearl Blonde Rooted. Great hairline. Look up here. Let's see if I like that head space. Let's see. Yep, 4 fingers. She does a little bit of a face flop here for me, but I don't mind that really for this event. Let me show you the back. So a whole different vibe, right? Probably not age appropriate, but you know what I love, and I think you can see my expression on my face, that this is who I love. I love to have this long hair. Not something that I can grow myself. It's not too hot out, so I'm not going to feel, you know, hot and sweaty. I could put her up though if I wanted to. Very versatile. So there you go. There you have it. So 2 styles by Ellen Wille. Love Ellen Wille. Love the hairlines. Love the natural looking part line. Love the lace. This is super comfortable, super soft. We just comb her from the bottom up, being gentle. But it looks like I spent a lot of time on my hair. And it's soft and approachable. So I hope that's helpful. Wear what you're comfortable in, wear what you want to wear, and make it a great day. Thanks. Cheers.